Outstanding design defines the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Boasting the latest technological features inside an attractive and versatile package.
It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Sharp character lines combine with a wide stance to create an aggressive yet elegant shape.
Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a trip computer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, high-intensity discharge headlights, and much more. An available 8-inch color touchscreen display built into the dashboard puts the control center to your media and settings a finger tap away. Enjoy the comfortable cabin of the Silverado 1500 in privacy with deep tinted glass standard on some trim levels.
Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes.
The 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling.